This is Miss Kincaid.
You like chicken legs?
Show it in front of the camera.
What?
Over here.
I
Show
want
it.
to show it.
Oh no, I'm not gonna be in the video.
Oh, let me give it to me, give it to me. I want to show it.
Look what Cecily wrote to Brandon.
Can I think? I just want to
These plastic or something? Oh my God.
Can I think?
That is funny. You get behind me and block me. That's Miss Kincaid. That's funny. I'm gonna laugh when Miss Kincaid watches this video during the summer. Last day of school, say Miss Kincaid, go watch this video. She's gonna know who it is, and my mama works here.
This is John Bretta. Oh, guess who this is? It's Hunter.
Oh my God!
Okay.
Oh wait, guess who this is? Guess who
Is
this
that
is?
me? Let me see it.
It's Gage.
Yeah.
Oh my God, look good. I hope that ain't me. That's a big fatty.
Hey,